the dry landscape garden in the south garden of Shuonan. The beginning of Shuonan is Myoshoji Temple, which was built by Jomei Nanpo in 1267. It fell into disrepair after that, but was rebuilt in 1456 by Ikkyu Sojun and named Shuonan. According to temple legend, the dry landscape garden in the Hojo was created by Jozo Ishikawa, Shojo Shokado, and Kiroku Sagawada. However, since all three of them passed away at the time the garden was created, it is unknown who created it. Shonen's dry landscape garden is divided into three parts: the south garden, the east garden, and the north garden. This video explains the dry landscape garden in the south garden. The dry landscape garden in the south garden is a garden where Ikkyu is worshipped from afar. To worship from afar is to worship from a great distance. The south garden is located in a place where you can see the tomb of Ikkyu and the hermitage where Ikkyu spent his later years. The south garden is covered with white sand and cycads, symbolizing the sanctuary. The cycads are planted in front of the object of worship from afar, and in front of the cycads are Toraoka and the grave of Ikkyu.